English words you probably using wrong. Let's go. Wrong. Travel. I like travel. True. Trips. Traveling. I like traveling a lot. Wrong. Advices. True. Advice. She give me a good advice. Wrong. Informations. True. Information. I need more information. Wrong. Furnitures. True. Furniture. The furniture is expensive. Wrong. Luggages. True. Luggage bags. My luggage is heavy. Wrong. I am agree. True. I agree. Wrong. He suggested me to go. Right. He suggested going. Wrong. I am interesting. Right. I am interest. Wrong. She is boring. Right. She is bored. Wrong. Discuss about. Right. Discuss. We discussed the plan. Wrong. Explain me. Right. Explain to me. Please explain it to me. Wrong. Marry with. Right. Married to. She is married to the doctor. Wrong. I am writing you. Right. I am writing for you. Wrong. He is in the home. Right. He is at home. Wrong. In the weekend. Right. On the weekend. At the weekend. Wrong. I didn't went. Right. I didn't go. Wrong. She can sings. Right. She can sing. Wrong. More better. Right. Better. Wrong. Less people. Right. Fewer people. Wrong. Much people. Right. Many people. Wrong. I have 25 years. Right. I am 25 years old. Wrong. Open the light. Right. Turn on the lights. Wrong. Close the TV. Right. Turn off the TV. Wrong. I will to go. Right. I will go. Wrong. She didn't told me. Right. She didn't tell me. Wrong. My father is doctor. Wrong. My father is a doctor. Wrong. He is engineer. Right. He is an engineer. Wrong. Can you borrow me money? Right. Can you lend me money? Wrong. I'm boring in class. Right. I'm bored in class. Wrong. I didn't finish yet. Right. I haven't finished yet. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.